Hello everyone, welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the Clickbank marketplace to uncover how to spot high-converting offers and maximize your commissions. Let's jump right in. When you navigate to the Clickbank marketplace, you'll find a plethora of categories to explore. Keep in mind that not all categories are equally lucrative. Health and fitness reigns supreme, while others like self-help may not offer as many promising opportunities. For this tutorial, let's delve into the cooking, food, and wine category. Within this category, you'll discover subcategories like barbecue, baking, and cooking. I'll choose paleo as an example, since it's a popular niche with plenty of offers to compare. Now let's decipher those numbers you see. The average dollar per sale is the amount you'll earn on average for each sale of the product. But don't be lured in solely by high dollar amounts. Conversion rate matters just as much. A product with a lower payout but a higher conversion rate can ultimately yield more profit. Keep an eye out for the arrow symbol, indicating upsells. These additional offers presented after the initial sale can significantly boost your earnings. It's often beneficial to promote lower-priced offers with upsells. Now, onto the gravity metric. Gravity represents the number of affiliates who've successfully made sales in the last 12 weeks. A higher gravity indicates that more affiliates have found success with that product, suggesting a potentially lucrative opportunity. To assess the sales page of a product, simply click on the offer to open the sales page in a new tab. While some sales pages may seem unconventional, remember to evaluate them from the perspective of your target audience's needs and desires. To narrow down your search to specific products, utilize the search bar. For instance, typing paleo will filter the results to match your criteria. You can further refine your search by setting filters based on your preferences, such as minimum dollar amount per sale. However, remember that conversion rate often trumps payout. Now let's talk about rebills. These represent recurring charges or subscriptions associated with the offer. A high average rebuild indicates potential for long-term earnings beyond the initial sale. Exploring niche products within your chosen category can uncover hidden gems. For example, promoting complementary products like skincare guides alongside recipe books can diversify your revenue streams. Remember, it's not just about finding high-paying offers, but rather those with a balance of payout, conversion rate, and gravity. Quality over quantity is key. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Clickbank for free.